If we're going to machine a casting, we need to know exactly where it is. And to do that, we're going to probe it with Simcoe probing. Basically, we'll chuck a probe into the spindle and then measure, in this case, the angle of this side and then the overall width of the part. And that's going to set us right in the middle of the geometry of this casting. We'll use a stock model. That way it understands kind of where we're starting from. We're starting from a rough casting and we're going to a part that has a pocket in it. Use a high-speed toolpath and import all our favorite settings. Select all the geometry as the tangent faces. And then we're going to tell it to cut against a stock model. That stock awareness means it's not going to cut all over the place. It's only going to cut in the areas that are needed to remove the material we need for this operation. When we go to verify this to check for any interferences or any problems, you can see the probing operations, and then you know it's going to accurately locate this cut, go through and very quickly remove this material with a high-speed toolpath, and then go through and perform the finishing operation. MLC CAD Systems is the largest reseller of Mastercam in the world. So give us a call if you have any kind of questions about CNC programming.